Do you also want to generate unlimited images for free? And not just any images, I'm talking about full HD quality, no watermarks. Well, guess what? You've clicked on the right video. Today, I'm going to show you a magic tool that lets you create any kind of image. Realistic, anime, fantasy, anything you can imagine, with just one click. And the best part, it's completely free. All right, let's head toward the tutorial. First, open any browser with excitement, and in the top search bar, type Piclumen Ai. Sign up for free. It's quick and super easy. Once you're in, simply click on Get Started and dive into the magic. First of all, select the video ratio, the size in which you want to generate your image. Then, in the prompt box, type your prompt. If you've copied one, just paste it directly. And within just a few seconds, your stunning image will be ready. You can create unlimited images here every single day, and that too in stunning 4K full HD quality. It's fast, easy, and absolutely mind-blowing. And here it is, your final masterpiece. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because more fun and exciting videos are on the way. And if you want to discover even more amazing free tools, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up.